What's up, guys? Welcome back to the PassFab. A strong passcode could do a great job in protecting your privacy and personal information. But when you forgot it, things get tricky. You'll see this iPhone unavailable message on the screen, with the remaining time escalating. Fortunately, it's fairly easy to reset the password. In today's video, I'll introduce you guys 3 simple methods: iTunes, PassFab, and Find My. If you have backup stored in iCloud or your computer, you can restore your data back later. So, let's dive in. We'll start with iTunes. So we launch it. Plug the device in. For iTunes to recognize it without asking you the passcode, let's put it into recovery mode first. For iPhone X or later, is press and quickly release the volume up button, then press and quickly release the volume down, then press and hold the side button till you see the connect to laptop icon. For other devices, check out the link in the description below. Now it's suggesting us update or restore. We are going to click Restore. Agree to the terms and conditions. Then iTunes will download and install the latest iOS on the device. This will erase all content and settings, of course, including the passcode. If you have backed up your device before, you can restore them back afterwards. It's done. We can see the device is restarting. Then we'll see this hello screen. Let's go ahead and set it up. If you use Find My, make sure you have your Apple ID password ready. So now we are on the data and privacy option. You can restore from iCloud or a laptop. We are going to use iCloud. Enter the Apple ID and password. Then we can see the backup list. Select one and finish the settings that followed. Once completed, we'll get everything back on our device, including applications, contacts, and settings, and so on. Next, we'll walk you through resetting the password with PassFab iPhone Unlock. Check out the link in the description down below. So we install and launch it. Click Start on the home screen. Then plug the phone in and follow the instructions to put it into recovery mode. PassFab iPhone Unlock will match the latest iOS for us automatically. We can choose a location and then hit Download. Okay, now let's start resetting. As long as you are on a stable network, this process could be pretty fast. Once done, the device will restart, and we'll see the hello screen and start restoring our data back. In the last part here, you'll learn how to reset the password using Find My. If you have other iOS devices like iPhone or iPad, you can use the Find My app. Or you have a computer, then you can find it on iCloud.com. We'll be using the app. So we open it, tap Devices in the bottom. Swipe up and tap the device. Swipe up again and tap Erase this device. We can skip all these options. Just enter our Apple ID password here. The erase will start wirelessly. We can see the progress bar is showing on the device. Finish the settings that followed. See, this does the trick too. So guys, this is how we can reset our iPhone password. Thanks for watching. This is PassFab. See you in the next video.